Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of security with the disecu heavy-duty 4-digit combination lock. If you're in the market for the best combination padlock for outdoor use, look no further. The disecu lock offers unbeatable security and convenience, making it the perfect choice for securing your valuables in any environment.
What sets the disecu lock apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First off, the design.
The disecu lock features a heavy-duty construction with a solid metal body and an 8 mm diameter hardened steel shackle, providing unparalleled strength and durability.
Setting your own combination is a breeze thanks to the convenient bottom window.
And with 4 digits, you'll have thousands of possible numeric combinations to choose from, ensuring maximum security for your belongings.
With its unbeatable combination of strength, durability, and convenience,
it's no wonder why the disecu heavy-duty 4-digit combination lock is the top choice for outdoor security. Don't settle for anything less. Choose disecu for all your locking needs.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the products you love. Until next time, stay safe and secure.